Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull UK. First, you will need to download the Webull application, available on both Apple and Android devices. Once installed, proceed with the account registration, providing your personal information. Next, verify your identity by submitting the necessary documents, a process that typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Finally, fund your account using a bank transfer or other convenient deposit options to begin trading. Once your account is set up, it is time to explore Webull's powerful platform. The intuitive layout makes navigation straightforward, allowing you to quickly find what you need. Utilize the search bar to locate specific stocks, exchange-traded funds, or other assets. You can access real-time market data and advanced charting tools to analyze trends. Don't forget to create personalized watch lists to keep a close eye on your favorite investments. Placing a trade on Webull is a simple 3-step process. First, select the asset you wish to trade and choose your preferred order type, such as a market order or a limit order. Second, specify the quantity of shares or the total amount of money you want to invest. Third, carefully review all your order details to ensure accuracy before confirming the trade. Afterward, you can easily monitor your open positions and overall portfolio performance. Effectively managing your Webull account is crucial for a smooth trading experience. You can easily access all your account statements and a detailed transaction history directly within the application. Should you have any questions or require assistance, the in-app customer support is readily available. Furthermore, explore the extensive educational resources provided to continuously enhance your trading knowledge. Remember to manage your deposit and withdrawal settings securely for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.